So, Maddalena, tell me a little bit about your business and how are you using videos there?
So my business is a blog, started as a blog. It's called Secure Cyber Mart, and it gives people or whoever reads our blog advice about cybersecurity and security gadgets such as alarms or cameras or other tools that they might need for anti-theft or anti-burglary. And we started this business, my husband and I, a year ago. And we started with two platforms, YouTube and Instagram, and then we added other social media. And especially regarding, explanation for cybersecurity concepts or to just showcase our product, we needed a good video tool. And we tried different video tools, and then we came across Pictory. And Pictory was a very easy tool, video tool to use because it didn't require much input on us except for the script or for the link where the software was taking the images and information from. And it also allowed us to use our own brand, so to use our logo and to use, for example, subtitles with certain colors or like we used Roboto as a font. And this really made the process of creating video really easy, as well as regarding multi-platform ready. Like, for example, if we had to use the tool for various social media channels, so, for YouTube Shorts or for longer YouTube videos or Instagram Reel, it was much easier to use, as well as to capture the attention of our audience. We could, create easy, visually appealing content that will simplify security topics because sometimes talking about cybersecurity concepts might be really hard. But by using Pictory and creating our videos, it really enhanced the engagement of our viewers. So that was, really useful for that.
Awesome, awesome. So let me recap this. So you're running a blog site
Yes.
for various cybersecurity topics,
Yes.
and then you're using videos to promote your blog or draw people to your blog.
Mhm.
And these videos are published on YouTube or Instagram.
Yes,
Uh,
correct.
and then that's where your viewers will see that. And then the call to action there is to come read more about this on your blog.
Exactly. Yes.
And how are you doing videos for Pictory?
We try to use other products, like other video products, such as Flicky AI or InVideo. For InVideo, we had a very basic subscription. So it was useful because like we would give the prompt, but then there was a lot that we had to customize because we needed to also, like put our own graphs or, specifically like, I don't know, make them like PowerPoint slides. And InVideo doesn't really let you do that. You need another video tool that would allow to kind of, like record, like re-edit the video. So that was like double the work. And for Flicky AI instead, it worked really well in the beginning, but it became really hard to use. Like going on, there was a lot of edit to do as well. For YouTube videos, it required maybe like more editing skills than what we have. So we had to hire like a professional to edit some of our videos. Whereas with Pictory, really like even though my husband and I don't really have much of like editing skills, we were kind of able to just like, kind of like by intuition to use it.
You get a decent result. So you tried a couple of different tools and then you ended up on Pictory as kind of the easiest to use and you get a
Yes,
good result at the end.
yes.
How so tell me a little bit about like what features of Pictory do you use the most? Is it a script to video, PowerPoint to video, article to video? What features are you using?
We use mostly script to video. Because we have our own script. I work as a copywriter, so I prepare our scripts. Sometimes when my husband prepares PowerPoint, we also use the PowerPoint. And when we write a blog article, we also use the link to our blog articles so to create, like kind of like a redundancy, like to create the blog, the video, and then the video goes on the blog. We also started using the edit video a little bit to edit our videos after they were done. And we started using the beta like recording to record our voices, also to record our faces. So that's like a feature that we're still exploring, but I don't know, it's useful to have all these choices, especially when you have a blog and when you promote products.
That's awesome. That's awesome, Maddalena. Do you often use the AI voiceovers, or do you record your own voice usually?
We generally use the AI voiceover, yes. We prefer it. I mean, recording our voice sometimes require a lot of tweaking on our part because clearly, like we're reading. So, for example, I'm talking now. You have a lot of hams or a lot of words that you don't want in your script. Whereas the AI voice, especially the ones from 11 Labs, are quite similar to human voices, and they're easy to apply, so we prefer using them.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Are you able to quantify the benefits that you got from using Pictory?
For YouTube, we had a lot of new viewers, definitely. We had we started last year, so we have rather small channel. We have about 100 subscribers. But since we started using in video, like now we have like 50 to 60 more subscribers and we have more engagement in our comments. So we got more positive comments. As well as I noticed that people tend to watch our videos until the end, whereas before maybe they would stop. Like the retention rate was very low, maybe 10 to 15%, which is not much for YouTube. Now it's almost at 50%. So it's a good one with some videos going about 70.
Nice, nice, nice. And are you able to quantify benefits of people coming to your site based on those videos? Like, are you able to track that?
I'm able to track the fact that more people are, I do a click per rate on my blog. So, for example, when they click, reading the whole blog and clicking on the links that we are affiliated to, I've noticed that there has been, especially in these past 3 months, like about an increase of about 10%, which is good considering that our blog is relatively new. Yeah.
Nice, nice. So you attribute to Pictory videos, perhaps.
Yes, because I noticed that compared to, well, we have other social media channels, like we have Facebook now, Twitter, X, Pinterest, but with YouTube, especially the long form videos, so the ones that go to up to 10 minutes, people watch it more, and then they tend to go in the description, click on the blog, read the blog, and then click through the links, and then they end up like maybe purchasing the affiliate products that we are selling, or just like looking around our website, which increases our Google ranking.
Nice, nice, nice. Very cool. So about 10% increase in the last 3 months. That's a
Yes.
commendable number. That's great.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you suspect some of it came from videos, the YouTube videos, and yeah,
Yes.
this is great. This is awesome. Thank you so much. Um, if you were to meet a fellow entrepreneur, a fellow blogger, somebody on the street, what would you tell them about Pictory?
I definitely will tell them that it's useful to make educational videos. So if they are promoting a specific concept in their blog, like they are telling people, I don't know, like if it's a blog about kitchen, like cuisine, it's definitely useful to make step-by-step videos. That's what I find the most useful. So to explain a recipe, or for example, to, I don't know, explain 10 reasons why like these ingredients are the best for your heart. So the generally educational explanatory videos come really well within videos if it's a blog and if the blog is about but generally blogs are about concepts and explanations and then
That's great.
promoting products within.
Yeah, that's great. With Pictory, right? Not within
Yes.
video. Yeah.
No, with Pictory. I
Yeah.
personally find better with Pictory.
Yeah. Yeah. Awesome. Awesome. So you like Pictory better than in video. You like it better than Flicky.
Yes.
And it's now making you some extra revenue.
Yes. It's useful.
Awesome. Great. Thank you so much, Maddalena. This is very useful.